Yeah, Mrs. Brown. Morning. Yeah, it's Nicholas. Yes, miss. I can't make it in this morning. I went to an event last night, and they had soup there, so I was drinking a cup of soup, and then I realized that the soup had conch in it. I'm allergic to it, so it actually swelled up my eyes and my mouth. Right now, my eyes and my mouth swell up, so I won't be able to make it in today. Unfortunately. A picture. Send a picture. Picture of what, miss? Oh, send a picture of my face. Alright, I'm gonna send a picture, man. I'm gonna take a picture of my face and send it right now so you can see. Alright, okay. So when I tell me about to send picture you, I'm gonna get picture now. Yo, Ras! Yo, Ras! Yo, Ras! Ras! So what is for fire? Yo, bad man, use them. Lick me on my face right now, brother. Oh, you know that? Lick me on my face now, bad man. Lick the eye in the eye face. But I can't do that, Rasta. I can't do that fire. No fire. I can't do that fire. Lick me on, man, brother, lick me on my face, you. We go eat the eye in the eye face. And then when you look, you see the Babylon boy, them rolling in pan them nuts and bolts, you come lock up the eye. I know depend that fire. I now go no jail if the eye empress. If another man come jump up in the eye vagina. I know depend that Rasta. You see, I can't hit the eye in the eye face, Rasta. I hurry up and let me on my face, bad man. I call them out and tell them like say yo my face swell up and then sit the dog and the woman say me fi send picture, brother. I mean I no pick yo let me on my face, youth. The eye face fire no matter what fire. You see, the name if you tell the lie fire, I can't hit the eye in the eye face.